Assalamu alaikum dear friends, my name is Saad Ahmed and you are watching Tech and Research YouTube channel. In this video I will tell you about Okex and also I will show you some important feature of this website. Okex is the world leading website from which you can earn Bitcoin free of cost without investment. First of all, you will make an account here or sign in. And the second step, you will verify your criteria. There will be two-step verification. Verify your account, improve security, and the third one, buy or deposit crypto. You have to leave it blank. In the first step of verification, you have to verify your phone number, your email address, and some other things relevant to you. In the second step of verification, you have to verify your CNIC and your photo. They request you to send your CNIC front picture and then backside picture. After submitting these items, they will request you to take your face picture. You will receive an email from Okex that your document has verified and you can work here from now. I had uploaded a complete video on Okex, how it works and how you earn free Bitcoin and how you will withdraw your amount. But here I review some important features of this website. Number one, there is a trading section where you can trade in different currencies and digital currencies. Almost every digital currency exists here. When you earn free Bitcoin by watching ads from here, you can direct withdraw these Bitcoins. Either you can exchange these Bitcoins with another digital currency like Ethereum, Litecoin, and Digicoin. Number two, another great feature of this website is to sell or buy digital currencies in the same case. When you earn free Bitcoin by watching ads, here you can buy Litecoin by giving Bitcoins and you can buy Digicoin by selling Bitcoins. You can use this feature by differentiating between the currencies when they are at peak. Number three, another great feature of this website is to transfer your free earned Bitcoin among the funding account and trading account. For example, you earn free Bitcoin by watching ads. These free Bitcoin are in your funding account. You can transfer it into your trading account easily, where you will trade in different currencies all over the world. That's why I preferred Okex. So this is the only website in which you can do the multiple tasks, and my earning from Okex is about to 1 lakh this time. The website link is below in description box. So friends, these are the important topics of today's video. Like the video, share it with your friends. Take care. Allah Hafiz.